Hello and welcome to Make Money Online 101, the ultimate guide for beginners. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a whole new career, making money online can be a great way to achieve your financial goals. In this video, we'll cover the basics of making money online and give you some tips for getting started. There are many reasons why people choose to make money online. For some, it's the flexibility and convenience of being able to work from anywhere. For others, it's the ability to earn a passive income or start their own business without a lot of upfront costs. Whatever your reason, there are plenty of opportunities out there to make money online. One popular way to make money online is through freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or coding, you can offer your services through freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This is a great way to start building a portfolio and earning some income while you're still learning. Another option for making money online is to sell products through platforms like Etsy or Amazon. Whether you're selling handmade items, digital products, or physical goods, there's a market out there for just about anything. With a little bit of research and some marketing know-how, you can create a successful online store. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. This can be a lucrative way to make money online, especially if you have a strong online presence and a following. Just be sure to choose products that align with your brand and interests. Making money online can be a great way to achieve your financial goals, but it does require some effort and knowledge. We hope this guide has given you some ideas and inspiration for getting started on your own online journey. Thanks for watching.